Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme. Objective of the scheme is to mitigate the economic distress of MSMEs by providing them fully guaranteed emergency credit line. Provide incentive to banks and financial institutions and NBFCs to provide additional funding facility to MSME borrowers, which will be 100% secured by guarantee of central government. Salient features of the scheme: applicable for MSME or Mudra borrowers. Borrower should have existing outstanding credit facility of 25 crores. Means it is not applicable for new industries or borrowers who are planning to establish a new industry. There should be existing outstanding credit facility of rupees 25 crores. Their account should not be overdue for more than 60 days as on 29 February 2020. Means in case the account is NPA, then this facility will not be available. Annual turnover of borrower should be up to 100 crores, or means 100 crores. If the turnover crosses 100 crores, it will not be covered under MSME. Additional funding, important point, that is additional funding. In this scheme, maximum 20% of the existing loan in the nature of working capital or term loan is available. That is, if you have outstanding of 25 crores, the maximum loan possible is 5 crores. If the outstanding is of lower amount, then lower amount will be received. Funding will be 100% guaranteed by the central government through its agency. Repayment period is 4 years with a moratorium period of 1 year. There is a moratorium of 1 year for principal repayment. That is, interest is to be paid for this period. There will be no guarantee fees. Rate of interest is 9.25%. Loan is taken from banks and financial institutions, and 14.25% for NBFCs. Overall limit is 3 lakh crores of disbursement or 31st October 2020, whichever is earlier. All the banks, including private banks, are participants in the scheme. Benefits expected: it will provide additional credit to MSMEs to meet their operational liabilities and restart their business. Or because all the MSMEs are facing liquidity crunch at this time, so it will help them to meet their operational liabilities at present. The scheme is expected to have positive impact on economy and support its revival. Thank you.